Alright, so here's help on the second scientific method homework. It says students in Miss Mancuso's science class conducted a scientific method experiment where they obtained the same amount of unknown powders in 5 different cups and collected data. The students then filled each cup with the same amount of water and collected data from each of the 5 mixtures again. Finally, a series of 7 tests were run on all of the 5 mixtures individually. As they were run, once again, data was collected according to how each mixture responded to the test. Which of the following is the independent variable in the lab conducted? So remember, independent variable. This is the one that you change. So you've got to go up here. You have all of your different parts. You've got to see what they actually changed. So that the same amount. So that's not it, because it says same. Same amount of water. 7 tests were run on all of the 5 mixtures. So the only thing that they actually changed were the 5 different powders. So whenever you're looking at this, it's the amount of the powder, the 7 different tests, the 5 different mixtures reactions, or the 5 different mixtures. The reaction they can't change themselves. This would be something that they measure. The test, all of the tests were the same. They had 7 different tests, but they were all 7 run on the same one. They had the same amount of the powder. So what they changed themselves was the different types of the mixtures, the actual powder itself. Which of the following did not remain constant during the experiment? Remember, a constant is something that remains the same all throughout. The 5 different unknown powders, the amount of each powder, the amount of water, or the 7 tests which were conducted on all 5 mixtures. So we've got to go back and look at our information. The 7 tests run on all 5 mixtures. So they ran a series of 7 tests on all of the 5 mixtures, which means every mixture had these 7 tests on them. So that was remain the same because they added this to all of them. So that's not it. The amount of water added. Well, if you look back up right here, it says the same amount of water. And we're looking for the one that's not the same. So that's not it. The amount of powder put into each cup. And right here, it says they obtained the same amount of powders. So that's not it. So the only thing that they actually did not keep constant is A, the different unknown powders used in the experiment. These 2 questions are asking the same thing. They're just worded in 2 different ways. They're asking you what you actually changed. Alright, so guys, I hope this helps with some of the homework for this next little bit.